Alrighty traders, George here, and it's deja vu all over again. You just saw the July numbers from the DST live trade room, and what I'm going to show you here are the numbers from the first week of August. Our 3 days in the live room last week, August 4th through 6th, and this is all driven by trading the futures using our DSR model here. So DST clients and traders in the live room using the model here, this is what we use to trade the markets, and this is what fires off the signals that we follow. Let me show you the numbers because they're pretty simple to look at since we've only got 3 days here. For last week, we did $2,737 with a 58% win rate. Now, Tuesday was a tight ranging day. We ended up booking some small losses there, but taking the next setup and signal, DST clients able to keep knocking that out with all the support and training to build belief. That's the only way to put yourself into positive expectancy like that. Where most traders go is they'll attempt to do something, they'll hit a couple losses, and that's it, and they go back to doing what they were doing, which is not following rules. So DST clients, following your rules, pat yourself on the back, a great start to August there. Let me just show you something because you're going to see this in the live room tomorrow. We're starting up another 3-day stint tomorrow in the live room, and on the DSR model, this is the system that fires off all these signals in the oil market that everybody's so interested in. I've got a section of this chart marked up that's just too good to pass up, so let's check this out. This section here for oil this morning, this is after oil had rallied up a very sharp bounce and started trading sideways, and that's usually a big warning sign. But what the system here shows us is with the rules that we're following, this first sell signal up here is an exclusion trade because it's so close to the DSR, just by 2 ticks, so that's a no trade. The next trade here, a classic 3-bar cluster. Note SOS turning point black tip. That black tip is the one you want to see, and with price breaking back below the DSR level, 18-tick scalper hit. Same thing happens here, 3-bar scalper. We're oversold, 18-tick scalper hit. Yet another one, and another one, and another one. 5 back-to-back winners on top of an exclusion filter, and then this last one up here, this black tip at the DSR after being overbought. That one just popped over the top there to stop us out. So this one right here books a loss. This actually turned out to be $750 per contract over 130 minutes, and that's only risking $150 per trade. So traders are always asking about risk and not losing too much money. This is just risking $150 per trade here and going through some sideways chop after some expansion. The DSR model really hitting those corners like an Italian race car there. So it doesn't stop there. We're going to go at it tomorrow, another 3-day stint in the live room. Make sure you use the link at the bottom so that you can get in there. You can even share it with a friend if you know they're having troubles with trading. I point out where all the setups and signals are and what the model is showing us, and it's just a matter of executing those trades, and the expectancy is really remarkable. So that'll do it for now. We'll see you back in the live room.